Hey everyone! In this video, I'm about to show you how to use Google Trends for YouTube. Open your web browser and search for Google Trends. Go to the Google Trends website and here, you can enter the keyword to see how it's trending. Here, I'll search for what is SEO. You'll be able to see a graph shown here. You can sort it according to the time, as I've chosen the past 12 months. It will show you the graph according to its trend on some dates. You can also choose the country to see the trend in different countries. Then, you'll be able to see a curved graph as I've chosen the worldwide option. After that, you'll be able to see interests by region and you can change it to city also. In the upper portion, you can change it to a YouTube search. You will see the graph according to a YouTube search. You can also search for what is digital marketing. I've also searched for sitemap.xml. It is showing me the exact graph according to its trend. You can also change the region and see its different results. If this tutorial was helpful, please subscribe to our channel and like the video.